Hey guys, get in. We're going shopping. It's like, I already been, but hey friends, welcome back to another segment of Watch Me Get Stuff. No, I'm playing. But I got some good things today, so I was like, let me let my friends know. Let me just let them know, you know? So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna go in order of the shops that I went to, if I can remember. Yeah, I think I do. So let's get into it because I'm running late for something. So I went to TJMAXX, which I haven't been to TJMAXX in a while. So yeah. And I got these Shirley Temple things because they're soda pops, and it was the packaging. The packaging got me. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It was the packaging. The packaging got me. Okay. What else did I get? What was I get? Oh, yeah. They had the all-nighter spray, Urban Decay all-nighter spray. I don't know. This packaging looks different than when I bought it before. But yeah. Urban Decay all night. I kind of like this packaging. It's like holographic. Got that. And then I read up, even though it's not finished, I just think that I need to get it because I have to have it because it can't be finished, is the setting powder, the Marc Jacobs one, because I don't know what if it was the current situation that we're in, but the TJMAXX with the Marc Jacobs on it. And then I got this MAC lipstick in Mull It Over, which I don't know because like I looked at the color online. It's a powder kiss lipstick, and I looked at, oh, this is gorgeous. Y'all see this? Y'all see how gorgeous this is? This lipstick? Not even look at the lipstick, the texture of the lipstick. Yo. But yeah, I looked it up online because I was like, I couldn't tell what color it was because it like the other MAC lipstick that was there had like the color shade on it, but this one I was like, is it black? I'm still gonna buy it if it was black because I have a black lipstick. But yeah. And then I got this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Strip, and I could just do that with a brown, and I feel like it would just make a really nice nude lip combination for me. So the next place I went to Ulta first. Girl, we went to Ulta and bought the whole store. Okay, so I got these because I'm experimenting with something. So I don't know if you noticed, but my wig is looking a little great today. It's looking a little better. You know, there's levels. I'm just climbing up the wig ladder right now. But I wanted to, I'm still perfecting how I bleach my knots and stuff. And I wanted to see, I don't know why I thought of this, but I was like, yo, tanning sprays as knot tints. So I went and I didn't know which one to get because light to medium looks a little too light and it looks a little too red, but my like scalp is, I mean, I didn't know. And then medium to dark looks a little too dark, but I got some lace left over that I was saving for something that I'm gonna use it to like test it out. But I think I'm onto something, you know, because if it can go on your skin, it should be able to go on the lace. I feel like it would. I'll get back to you guys on that. Comment down below if you want to like see what I come up with. And then I got this Jet Set Ready Hydration Kit because the ad popped up on my Instagram and I said my face could be more moisturized, especially because I'm getting dry patches on my nose, like not like 2 weeks ago. Moisture, okay, and like I've been using AHA cleansers and all of that. Like my cleansers be pretty harsh to get the skin right, so I was like, why not? And then I got a clear brow gel, which I really, honestly, I need to get. No, I didn't. But I was on the way to the line, and like the way that it's set up now, it's like you go through the aisles at my Ulta, because you know the current situation we're in. Which I'm about to show you guys the other thing I got. You're gonna be like, why did you get that and the clear brow thing? But that's my business. So I got this e.l.f. wow brow in deep brown. Mind your business. And then I got the Stila lipstick in Baso, and I'm having high hopes, okay? AOC uses this, and she's melanated, so I'm having high hopes for this, okay? I am. And then another thing that I got, which I really didn't need to get. It was on the aisle though, and it's such a I like new lippies, I like new nails, like, it's this. Let me tell you the color. Under the Eiffel. It's from Red Carpet. Is it a gel? Yeah, gel nail polish. So, and then I really didn't need to get this either. I really didn't. We were just in the aisle. And then I got this top coat from Sally Hansen, and it's matte. Because what? And then the last thing, okay, yeah, if you don't know, NYX has been never really fails me with brow things. I don't know why I venture off from it, but I do because I like to try new things. But they have this new to me, I guess, precision brow pencil, and I got it in espresso. It's new to me. I've never seen it before, but I still can't find. I'm really sad because I went to the beauty supply store near my school, and they had this powder brow at the beauty supply store, but I can't find it anywhere else. Like, I haven't been able to find it, and it's a perfect because I got it in black and it's powder, so it looks great. And I'm like at the nub of it now. So yeah, the next place that I went is Marshalls, which is, I'm always going to Marshalls. I'm not gonna lie and say that I don't. And I got another Japanese brush. I don't think I have this one, but if I do, it's whatever. This is the angled brush for like contouring. Honestly, use the brushes for what you want to. And then I got this. It's just like different pens, well, markers for like my bullet journal. And then the game changer right here. These are whites for your makeup brushes, because we all know that I should have got the second one, but I'm trying to see how these work because it's for on the go, you know, throw it in your makeup bag. And then so I saw this at TJMAXX, but I didn't want to buy it because I need a new cleanser because my other cleanser is not like thingy, and I was supposed to go online and like look it up, but I don't know, I haven't done it, and I don't know if I'm gonna want to pay the price that it is because I did get it at TJMAXX. But this is a Peter Thompson Irish Moor Mud. It's supposed to basically do the same thing that my other thing does, to help with texture, get the things out your pores. It's anti-aging, which I don't really care about that, but it has tea tree oil and willow bark, and it's for all skin types. I'm pretty sure I've heard Peter Thompson before. I don't know, watching YouTube videos or something. But TJMAXX cleansers, Marshall's cleansers haven't failed me before, so I finally budged when I got it. But it wasn't at TJMAXX, I got it at Marshall's. And then Glam Nude eye looks. This is like the perfect shade that I've been looking for that I don't have in any of my palettes, and it's the Lorac one in, oh, is this a bronzer? This is supposed to be a bronzer. What color is this in? Pool Party. This is gonna be eyeshadow for me. This is not a bronzer for me. This is eyeshadow for the glam looks I'm trying to do. And then they had Milani stuff. They had this face primer that's supposed to like help with discoloration and pore minimization. I hope it's not one of those plastic ones, but I was like, let me try it. So I got it. And then this really shocked my boots. Because, you know, you really, when you go to TJMAXX and Marshalls, you really got to go to those like small aisles and just be like digging up, because you never know what gems you're going to find. So I did not know that Black Greens has a hydrating powder, and luckily enough I found one that like will somehow work for my skin tone in some capacity. We're pretty excited about that, so I was like, don't mind if I do. That's the one thing I like, is because you find things at TJMAXX and Marshalls that like may not be at other stores, which is also a bummer, because if you like it then you can't go get it. But yeah, that was my little, you know, see what I got when I went shopping. I hope you enjoyed it. What do I want you guys to comment down below? Okay, comment down below if you are team Marshalls or team TJMAXX, or if you are team Ulta or team Sephora. And I will see you guys in the next one, because you know I'm a shopaholic, so there's gonna be another one. See you then.